Hi, it's Lynn from LynnieCDesigns. Thank you for joining me today. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in West Sussex in the UK, and I'm hoping this is going to be a clear video. I've got a feeling it might be a bit blurry, but I'm trying out some new equipment, so please bear with me while I try. I'm just a quick attempt. This is actually a card that I've made for a design challenge over at the Global Design Project, and here's a picture of the challenge. It's a sketch challenge this week. I haven't played for a while, so I thought I would give it a go. Check there'll be information in the description box below, but go and check out the website and see the inspiration that you get from the rest of the design team and the other entries. There's loads of really nice ones, but I'm going to recreate this. So this is really cute. I have used Elephant Parade from the annual catalogue, and it comes with some coordinating dies, which are really cute, and I actually love this set. It's great for kids or well, just look at these. If you're in the mood for doing a little bit of colouring, then these are perfect. The sentiment I've heat embossed from the Love for You, which is one of the new bundles that's in the mini catalogue. Again, it has some dies. I haven't created anything with these before, so it was just an excuse to play with some new goodies. And I've used some of this designer series paper is from the Dainty Delight series paper. I have created a card with this before, and I'll put links. In fact, all of the information for this will be on my blog, and there will be links there, so head over, click in the description box below. And I've used, for the circle, I've used one of the circles from the Stylish Shapes, and it is the third largest, so there we go. I'm going to change the colourway. This is sort of more masculine. I'm going to make, let's do thick basic white for the base, half a sheet of A4. I've got some basic white for stamping. That's all we need. And then I've cut down some DSP. Now this is from the same pack. And the colours in this DSP are Coastal Cabana, Granny Apple Green, Balmy Blue, which is kind of the colours in here. This is Petal Pink, Mango Melody, which is here, so the little dots. And then we've got Fresh Freesia. So I've already gone ahead and coloured and die cut my little characters. I've got another one of the cute little elephants. I'm going to actually, rather than have a balloon, I'm going to have this one carrying a flower, and I've got a little butterfly. So I've already gone ahead and coloured using greys, Petal Pink, Fresh Freesia and Granny Apple Green, so keeping to the same colourways. But this card is very simple, and I loved the simplicity of this sketch, so I know why I had this sheet. This is just a matte layer, which is cut just slightly smaller, and that's gonna, so rather than put things straight on the base, I like to use an extra layer. So let me show you what I did. So we don't actually need that because I've already done all the stamping. And I wouldn't, look how lovely it is. It feels wrong to cover that up. But I wouldn't normally feel like I'm wasting this paper, but gives you a nicer finish if you add that panel above. Now measurements will be on my blog, That's 7.5 by 12.5 in total. So the bottom is 7.5 by 12.5, and that is 5.5. I've got a tiny little slither. This was just in my scraps pile. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for my glue. So I'm just going to add that. Glue everywhere. I'm a bit cold. I've been helping my husband. We've bought a van, and he is converting it into a camper. So I've been out helping where I can today, and my hands are a bit cold. So let's pop that down there and trim off the excess. Very simple. And I think just to ground our little elephant, I'm just going to get some crumb cake. Just give him a little bit of ground there. So cute. Yep. So I want that up on dimensionals. Or am I gonna? I'm gonna pop. No, I'm gonna pop. I'm gonna pop him on her. Don't know. On flat. I'm gonna pop that circle up on dimensionals. Oh, and I wasn't sure what ribbon. I think it might have to be the pop that up there. So cute. That's straight. I'm going to just pop a little bit of glue just on the crease of that butterfly. I've just sort of given it a little bit of a crease. I'm going to pop that there, flying away, and I'm going to pop a little bit of a dimensional. Dimensional, let's have a look. Not too big. No. Fabulous. I'm going to pop the whole of that panel on with mini dimensionals. There we go. I'm not sure why my video, you'll have to let me know in the comments. I know the last video I did with this camera was a bit blurry. My friend Nikki told me. So Nikki, let me know if this one is the same. So there we go. Is that straight? That's straight there. Got a little bit of sticky on that. I'm going to get my... Oh, that's torn it. That's the only trouble with DSP. So what we might have to do, a gem will go there to cover that up. So a little rubber glue that I got from my lovely friend Hazel. Thank you, Hazel. So we could get away with a fresh freesia bow, couldn't we? I haven't got any petal pink. Oh, I've got some retired petal pink. I'll just use that, shall we? See if we like that. Oh no, I know what I was going to use, because I thought it was a bit girly. Now I wonder what I've done with that. I had a sparkly bow. What did I do with that? I took part in a card class last night, so my craft space is a little messy. There we go. I thought I would find, there we are, that's lovely, because that'll pick up all of the colours. So we'll get a glue dot, and then we need to do a little tiny little bit of heat embossing for that sentiment. I'm going to pop that there. That is so cute. We're going to pop, there we are. Love a bit of embellishment, don't you? And there, and we'll do another one. I like to do it in triangles. It doesn't look very good that way though. Put those two together. There we go. Lovely. And we want a little bit of black. Got our white heat emboss powder. A little embossing body. Embossing buddy. And let's get it round the right way. And I think that we were talking about this last night. The trick with heat embossing is to not overpress, otherwise you get distortion. But if you can sort of give it the right amount of pressure, the stamping comes out really well. So let me just heat emboss that. Lovely. I'm going to trim that out. Try and do that so that it's straight. Lovely. Love it when a plan comes together. And then we shall use, oh no, we'll use some black. Get him out of the way. Flew down. There we go. Tiny little bit of black there. Only put that on that end because I think it looks quite nice, just hanging off there. So I'm going to, no, I want that like that. So I'm going to put a little glue dot I did spot there was a glue dot there, a spare one. How cute is that? So we'll pop that on our base. And I'm going to glue that flat. You could, if you wanted to add even more dimension, you could pop that on more. I think that is quite sweet. Let me know what you think. There we go. 2 congratulations cards. That's sort of more for a boy and more for a girl, but if you're sticking, that could be for a girl. I think that's really cute. I love the little images and they're quite fun to colour in. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Thank you for sticking with me. Do let me know if it's a little bit blurry and I will hopefully sort out my technical issues. I will see you again soon. Take care for now. Bye bye.